Hey guys, welcome back. Headed back to the Ebisu tracks, this time headed to Minami. Unfortunately, Minami's been closed for a couple of years now, which has been turned into a rally track. It's probably most famous for its jump onto the main straight, which we'll get to try out. We're also using another DWG car this time, another 180SX, so let's have a look at that. So it's got, this one's actually got an RB20 with a GTX 3076R, which then pushes it up to 413 horsepower, wheel horsepower, 408 newton meters. It's also got BC coilovers, hot side knuckles, boxed and extended nismo arms, and the adjustable sway bars, which I won't touch. It's also 1225 kilos. So with that, let's jump in. Alright, here we are, the 180. It's got the factory looking steering wheel. Alright, try not to stall it on the way out. This one's got a sunroof. Actually found that very distracting at first. So we'll just do a lap around. So I've got this bottom section. So we'll probably try and shift into third around here. Come out wide. See if we can fish it. Do fishtails up through here. And up around the back section. So this top section is actually quite wide. Then it tightens up into a little downhill section. And then from here, try and build speed. This is where you kind of got the jump, the drop there, and you drift down to the main section. So, just using second gear down the bottom, third gear. Alright, try and build up some speed. See how we go for its back section. It's gonna hit the wall then. Alright, and this is really the main part of this track. So, alright, you're gonna hook it that way a bit. So that's definitely fun when you get it right. And just trying to line it up, slow down enough speed for the bottom there. So when I was watching an old Moriyaro video, apparently people would cut through here just to do this bottom section again. Alright, so hook it. I couldn't keep that going. Let's hold third in the RB20. So that definitely had a lot more angle than I kind of wanted after the jump, but it's just fun. So second gear through here. Alright, the more I want to get out of the drift here so I can start to build some speed, so flat second, third. Into the wall. Try and drive it out in second. Third. Back to second for that. Alright, try and slow down, get some speed again. Third, go to the right, look at left, over the jump, nothing, you go to the wall again. building so much speed down the straight, and then find it difficult to slow down for the next section. So I do like the 180. Definitely the RB20 revs power. Haven't actually checked the red line. I'm trying to do it on the straight here. 8,000. Yeah, so kind of come down here and try and shave speed off, but try and keep the car in drift. I need to go to that wall. What if the debris goes over the roof or it disappears? Touch kick third. Just trying to keep it third, but I find this section too slow. Third. Second for the bottom again. So I know you're meant to shift on transitions, but I find it easier once I get it set up to upshift to third. So this car has a odd behavior with the right hand. You can see it kind of get ready to go to the shift position. Just hang up on the wheel there, like that. Oh, jeez. So I'll try and show it again. Yeah, there. Once you get close to the red line, it kind of just sits there. It's ready to change gears, but it's not where the gear shifter is. So I believe this track's made by, I think it's Perma. Really enjoyed all his Ebisu track layouts. He has done the whole complex as a mod as well. I think that's a paid content though, but that would be cool to try out. I think they used to use this for D1. I'm not sure what layout they used. I was having difficulties with this car initially, just on transitions. Kept spinning, but I think that's more my throttle control than anything else. I might try fourth, see if I get more speed, but try and build up the speed a bit more if I want to try fourth, so nah. Wasn't too bad though. I don't think I can get enough speed for fourth though, but may as well give it one more go. Alright, so flat second, third, fourth, nah, into the wall. Alright, I think fourth just has too much speed to make it work. Limited batch second. Might just reset the car. back in the pits. Alright, we'll do a couple more laps. Then call this. I would like to do a comparison to all the Sylvias in this pack, just to see what they've done different, besides so there's different engine combinations. A lot of them have SR20s. So this has an RB. But just try and feel the suspension difference. If there is actually a difference using, I think some might even use like GK Tech. I think it was the Triple S knuckles or something like that. See if they make the steering different. I tried to do that too early. Yeah, my Nemi's definitely fun. Definitely that jump. On the straight here. So right, bit left. And that's probably why they had to, they changed it from accidents. I'm going to try it 2 more times. I want kind of one more decent run at it. But definitely understand why people would just cut through and do the bottom section. So right, left. Not too far in. I said a couple more goes and I got on my first, but I'm gonna have one more. It's definitely like you throw it over the bump, wait till it settles, and then just put the power down. Alright, second, third, turn right, turn left, let it settle, put the power down. So we got third. I do like the 180 SX. You can even see the gear shifter change into the gears as you go through them. Just this weird hand thing where it just sits there when you hit red line. Getting ready to change gears. It handles nice. It's a bit surprised by the RP20. Thought it would be really unresponsive. It seems pretty good. Like that it rips to 8,000. All kind of stuff that didn't have enough speed now. Over the bump. Yeah, definitely another favourite of the Ebisu tracks. Definitely doing that jump just makes it really fun. The rest of the tracks aren't too bad, but yeah, the highlight is definitely coming over the jump over there. And it's very weird seeing a factory steering wheel in the car again. But yeah, nothing else to add with that. Thanks for watching, guys.